Sorry, cut. The birds are singing in my ears. Fuck it. I heard this thing once, that a monkey that drinks Jaeger bombs will never touch them again, thus making them more intelligent than most men. Nature! Nature. Nature! I really love nature, it makes me feel warm and fuzzy inside. Sometimes I really hate nature, it really makes me feel down. But then other times I look at this lovely brown bush and this lovely grey flower and it reminds me of what's actually wrong with the world. Nature. His leg's fallen off, but he's alright. He's dead. This plant is known as the Xmas Christmas treeus. Its name resembles its look because if you look closely from here, it actually looks like a Christmas tree, which is pretty cool. What's that? Oh shit! I'm not too sure what that was, oh fucking hell, but I think I just heard a dragon. Yep, definitely a dragon. I think I've lost the dragon. Now I'm in heaven, from nature's playground. I died a happy man, there's no dragons to be found in heaven's ground.